Okay, so here's a video to compare. So this is the Matrix and the model is called neXA. This company's been developing these for the last 3 years and they've just launched, and they have taken their time to address all the details and get the best quality for the best price, and they nailed it. So this is the Ecolo Cruise. We carry this as well. This is going to be the same style as a Gio, as the Daymak Boomer Buggy Pro XI, and as you can see, the size difference. They are the same height. This one is 100 inches long, and the Ecolo Cruise is 80 inches long. But I didn't realize how different they actually were until we put them side by side, and it's a big difference. These came out last year for us. We love them. These have created such freedom for people, but now we have a different option, right? This is a 1200 watt. This is a 2200 watt. This is a 45 amp hour lead acid. This is a 58 amp hour lead acid. This came in a 50 amp lithium. This is an 80 amp lithium. So this version is going to come with the steering wheel, or sorry, handlebars like this one that will have no HST. But with the steering wheel and the pedals, there is HST. So they are both enclosed mobility scooters. That's how they are imported, and that's what they are. And when we look at the doors and how they close, you can see actually the whole vehicle move. Let's do this one again. So we don't have the full technical specs on what the suspension is. Do you remember?
The rear's a swing arm with double coilovers. The front's coilovers as well.
So look at me trying to move this. Kind of a difference, right? I'm not saying that this one is better, but what I am going to tell you is that you are going to get more for your dollar. We're just blown away by the neXA. I mean, power windows, power locks, AC is a big deal. The huge screen, wipers that have a reservoir. So these have wipers, but this actually has fluid.
Oh, look where they sit.
And yeah, even how they sit. I know this. Yeah, this one maybe goes to here. Just the fact that you've got the more space. This has, it's just the fit and finish is better. The speakers on this are incredible. Too, that this has a skid plate underneath. So two things, it makes it even quieter, and if you are going to ride these all year round, it keeps the salt and the dirt out from underneath, and that's a big deal. Even the width of the tires are a big difference. Top speed is a little more on this one, so everything's elevated. Let's just put it that way. Everything's elevated on the neXA. Comes with a 5-year warranty. Like, that's unheard of. You can get a rack at the top. If you're thinking about getting an enclosed mobility scooter, if the budget allows, this is the optimal unit to buy by far. Yes.
Just with all the extras on that, with power windows and power door locks and the air conditioning, it added a whole lot of extra weight. I asked them about that, and they accommodated for that by an aluminum frame. Yeah. So these cars actually weigh pretty close to the same.
Yeah, yeah. These they say are 600 pounds, and these aren't even.
Just a little. I think they're a little under 6.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
I can't remember exactly. Yeah.
Now this was something I always said. So if you can actually, with the power locks, you can actually get in this and lock the doors. Where with the Ecolo Cruise, you'd have to roll down the window, take the key out, and lock it here. So it kind of gets awkward. Double seal with the doors, and the handle. We gotta point this out. The handle is where it's supposed to be. It makes it just very natural to open, where when you come to the Cruise, it's back here. Not bad, you know, not bad, but not great. So when you come in, huh?
When you're sitting in it.
Yeah, so when you're sitting in it, you have to do this, right? It's not like this. You have to actually lean forward and bring it back. All the screw holes and things like that, which are great, they have purpose, but the plastic here, just fit and finish is superior on the other one. And so we will be offering both. So yeah, there's your first comparison. Let me know if you've got any questions in the comments. If you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like.